You can quickly add markup to pictures and PDF files, including text, handwritten notes, and sketches. In Finder, select a picture or a PDF file. Tap the spacebar to open a review of that file in Quick Look. Then click the Markup button to enable the markup tools. There are several tools in the Markup toolbar. Use the N tool to write or draw shapes. If you draw a shape, you can choose to use either the rough hand-drawn shape or an automatically refined version of that shape. You can also change the color and thickness of the pen stroke. Click the Text button to insert a text box. Double-click the text box to edit the text. Click the Font button to change the color and size of the text. Click outside of the text box to finish your edits. Then you can move and resize markup objects. Experiment with some of the other markup tools. To cancel your changes, click Revert. To save your changes, click Done. You can close the Quick Look preview and your markup will be saved to the picture file.